Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Am-
sir.
Okay. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What we discussed in last lecture? Anybody?
Discontinuous function.
Okay. Fourier series of discontinuous function. So we already know about the discontinuous function, means a function having two or three partitions, okay, in given interval. What is the difference between first, second and third method? In first method, the interval is 0 to 2 pi, okay, 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to pi. In second method, the interval should be c less than x less than c plus 2l with constant limit, means 0 to 3, minus 1 less than x less than 1, okay. And in third, the function, given function is in discontinuous form. So what is change here? So the change in integration, if you have first in single integration, then the function has two partitions, then that integration will be changed with two partitions, okay. That means you have to find the integration two times, okay, with different functions. Okay, we already done one example, am I right? How many examples we have done?
Three.
Three examples we have already done, am I right? Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we go for example number 4. Expand f of x in a Fourier series where f of x is equal to 0 1 minus 2 less than x less than 0 0 less than x less than 2. This is the example of second method, because here you see the given limit is arbitrary interval, okay. So this is related to second method, but here function has two partition, that's why it is considered in method number 3, it is discontinuous function, okay. So you can do as per the second method. So we start with the f of x is equal to a0 by 2, that means the given Fourier series is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus bn sin n pi x by l, and l is equal to, what is my l here? How we can find l here? What is the minimum limit of x? It is 2, and maximum limit is 2, sorry, minimum limit is minus 2 and maximum limit is 2. So the given interval is this, so you have to compare this interval with the our original interval. Which is our original interval? It is c less than x less than c plus 2l. So what is my c here? C is equal to minus 2 and c plus 2l is equal to 2. So if you replace c is equal to minus 2 here, so minus 2 plus 2l is equal to 2, and we have 2l is equal to 4, so l is equal to 2. Am I right? Okay. So in our case, l is equal to 2. So I am writing here l is equal to 2. So this is our step number 1. We complete our step number 1. Okay. Now step number 2, where a0 is equal to 1 by l integration c to c plus 2l f of x dx. What is my given function? Given function is f of x is equal to 0, f of x, I am writing in another ink, okay, f of x is equal to, 1 minute, f of x is equal to 0 and 1 minus 2 less than x less than 0 and 0 less than x less than 2, okay. So here 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, okay, integration minus 2 to 2, because I am writing here whole interval, so minus 2 to 2 f of x dx. I cannot substitute the value of f of x, because first I have to mention about the limit, okay. So it is minus 2 to 2. Now you can separate it, that means 1 by 2 is common. Here function has two partitions, so write down to integration, and the first limit is -2 to 0, okay, minimum to intermediate and intermediate to maximum, okay. So -2 to 0 में f of x क्या है हमारा, what is my f of x, it is 0, so 0 into d of x plus 0 to 2 में मेरा 1 है, so it is d of x. It is very simple, okay. So 1 by 2, this is your 0, and integration 0 to 2 1 dx is that. So what is the integration of 1, it is x, so with respect to x कर रहे इसलिए 0 to 2, and if you open or if you substitute the value of limits, then you have 2 minus 0 and it gives you 1, okay. So my a0 is equal to 1. Done? Any confusion, student?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Then, okay. 503 is not there. 1 minute, huh, student? T. Okay, then an, so 1 by 2 integration -2 to 2 f of x into cos n pi x by 2, okay. This is my L is equal to 2, so I am writing in place of L 2. Now here we have the function with two partitions, so I am writing down integration plus integration, okay. So my first partition is -2 to 0 and 0 to 2 is my second partition. So what is my value of f of x for -2 to 0, it is 0 into cos n pi x by 2 dx, and this is I think 1, yes, 1 into cos n pi x divided by 2 dx. Done? Okay. So this is my substitution part. Okay. Then this will be 0. Okay. इसका value आप अगर find करेंगे तो this will be big 0. Okay. Now next 1 by 2 is as it is. Okay. Now integration of 0 to 2 cos n pi x by 2 dx is my deduction part. So 1 by 2 is as it is. What is the integration of cos? It is sine. So sine n pi x by 2 divided by, what is constant here, dear student? What is constant here?
n pi by
Yes,
n pi
good.
by 2.
Yes, it is n pi by 2. So divide by n pi by 2. Okay. अब मैंने आपको पहले नहीं बताया था, लेकिन थोड़ा ध्यान रखना, कभी कभी क्या होता है आपसे मिस्टेक हो जाती है. कौन सी मिस्टेक होगी? आप n को यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर देंगे, पाई को कैंसिल कर देंगे और 2 को भी यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर देंगे. लेकिन इट इज नॉट ट्रू, बिकॉज दिस इज द एंगल एंड दिस इज द कांस्टेंट, और वो पूरा डिवाइड में है. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसे कि साइन ax अपॉन a एंगल में होता तो वी कैन डू, बट यहाँ पे एंगल में नहीं है तो उसको मत करना. डोंट कैंसल इट. अंडरस्टैंड? क्लियर डियर स्टूडेंट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके. ये कभी कभी हो जाता है, आपसे जानबूझ के नहीं होता है, लेकिन कभी हो जाता है, तो थोड़ा बी केयरफुल. ओके. सो 1 by यहाँ पे 2 था. डन? Okay, now now substitute the value of 2, first 2. So we have 1 by 2 into 2 by n pi कर सकता हूं मैं इसको, यस आई कैन डू, ओके, क्योंकि ये जो है उल्टा होके ऊपर जाएगा, दैट मीन्स 2 by n pi. नाउ इन सेकंड ब्रैकेट आई एम राइटिंग साइन n pi 2 by 2 minus sine 0. Okay, so here you can cancel it 2 2 because it is in angle. Okay, so you can do, but in above step you cannot do that. So here 2 2 cancel out, so 1 upon n pi is with us into sine n pi. Sine n pi is 0 minus 0, sine 0 भी 0 ही होता है, तो it is 0. So what is my an here? An is 0. Any doubt, student?
No, sir.
What
No,
about
sir.
other students?
No, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, मुझे एक एक को बताना पड़ेगा यार. You can speak.
No, no, sir.
No doubt.
doubt, sir.
Okay, good. Now think about the Bn. So what is my formula for Bn? Bn is equal to 1 by L C2C plus 2L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. Now I start again 1 by 2 minus 2 to 2 f of x, sorry it is 2, okay, yes, f of x sin n pi x by 2 dx. Okay, so 1 by 2 is outside. Now how many partition of f of x here? There are 2 partitions, so I am writing integration plus integration, and first partition is minus 2 to 0 and second partition is 0 to 2. Okay, in minus 2 to 0 my function is 0, that's why I am writing here 0 sine n pi x by 2 and dx. Okay, now plus 0 to 2 my function is 1, so I am writing here in place of f of x 1 sine n pi x by 2 dx. Done. So what is my remaining term? This will be 0 and I have 1 by 2 integration 0 to 2 sine n pi x by 2 into d of x. If I integrate sine, so I have minus cos. What is integration of sine? It is minus cos n pi x by 2 divided by constant is again n pi by 2, so I am writing here n pi by 2 and 0 to 2. Okay, if I substitute first 2, then what I get? I put minus sign outside, so and 2 upon n pi also outside. Okay, and cos 2 to cancel, so I am writing here only n pi minus cos 0. Okay, so it is 2 2 will be cancel out, so I have 1 upon n pi minus 1 upon n pi. Cos n pi will be, what is the value of cos n pi?
Minus 1 raised to n.
Yes, it is minus 1 raised to n, and cos 0 means 1, so this is my Bn. Am I right? Any confusion in Bn?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So what is my next step? कौन बताएगा? चलो D to D में से बताओ. What is my next step? 500, 503, 504 का तो फर्स्ट ही लेक्चर है. 503 and 500. Tell me what is my next step? What is my next step?
brackets,
Sorry?
opening the
कॉमन निकालवाना सर.
मतलब ब्रैकेट ओपन करना कॉमन.
कौन सा ब्रैकेट ओपन करके? ये तो हो गया, ये तो कंप्लीट. दिस इज माय फाइनल bn. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज substitute. सुन लेना 500 and 506. What is my next step? Substitute the value of a0, an and bn in equation 1. Am I right? वो हमने डिस्कस किया था ना. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So I am substituting it. So what we get here? So if you substitute the value of a0, so my final step is f of x is equal to a0. a0 is 1. So 1 by 2, a0 by 2, that means 1 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Please mute your mic. 500. Please mute your mic. 500. Please mute your mic. Okay, thank you. N equal to 1 to infinity. An means, what is my an? Value of an is 0. So I am substituting 0. So I cannot write down all the terms. Plus bn. Bn is my minus 1 by n pi bracket minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into sin n bn into है ना sin n pi x by 2. ओके, यहाँ पे dx नहीं है तो थोड़ा ध्यान रखना, लिखना मत वहाँ पे dx. ओके, सो 1 by 2 प्लस समेशन n इक्वल टू 1 टू इन्फिनिटी, माइनस बाहर चला जाएगा तो इट विल बी माइनस, बाहर चला गया 1 अपॉन n पाई इंटू माइनस 1 रेज टू n minus 1 into sin n pi x by 2. Okay, this is my final answer. Any confusion, dear student? This is my required Fourier series for given discontinuous function f of x is equal to 0 and 1. 0 is minus 2 to 0 and 1 for 0 to 2. Any doubt? If you understand, then please raise your hand. Good, very good. Jay, Suresh, 504. This is your first lecture, so sorry. Jay and Suresh. Yes, Jay understand. Okay, Suresh is also understand. Okay, all students understand this. Good, thank you. Okay, next. Example number 5. Okay, try for example number 5. I am here. Okay, obtain Fourier series for the function f of x is equal to pi into x, 0 less than x less than equal to 1, and pi into 2 minus x for 1 less or equal to x less or equal to 2. We go with step by step. Okay, so what is my first step? You have to write down the Fourier series expression. Okay, write down this. The Fourier series expansion of a function is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus bn sin n pi x by l. Okay, bracket close and l. Okay, so I want to write here l. So चलो इसका l पहले फाइंड करो. कौन बताएगा l इसका?
1.
1. Okay, 1. Any other answer? So original interval is minimum less than x less than maximum.
1.
Yes, okay. And original interval हमारा जो c less than x less than c plus 2l. अब इसके साथ compare करेंगे, then we have c is equal to 0 left hand side, okay, and right hand side c plus 2l is equal to 2. Now I replace c is equal to 0 here, so we have 2l is equal to 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, so my L is 1. Okay, 504, understand? This is my L is equal to 1. 504, are you understand this step?
Yes.
Okay. Then next step. Step number 2. Find A0. Now what is the formula for A0? A0 is equal to 1 by L integration C to C plus 2L f of x dx. This is my original formula. So I am substituting the value of L first. Okay. So what is my L here? L is equal to 1. So my first expression for A0 is equal to 1 by L integration C to C plus 2L f of x dx equal to 1 by 1 integration. What is my original interval? It is 0 to 2. So I am writing here 0 to 2 f of x. हमने अभी substitute नहीं कर सकते हम उसको dx. Okay. Now integration 0 to 2. How many partitions for integration 0 to 2? There are 2 partitions. So it will be 0 to 1 and integration 1 to 2. Now what is the function f of x between 0 to 1? It is pi x. So I am writing here pi x dx plus what is the function for 1 to 2? It will be pi 2 minus x. So pi 2 minus x dx. Okay. So here pi will be outside. So what is the integration of x? It is x square by 2 and 0 to 1 plus pi will be again outside. Okay, here 2 minus x is that. So what is the integration for 2 into 1? So integration of 1 will be x minus integration of x will be x square by 2 and substitute limit 1 to 2. Any doubt in this step, student?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Oh. Okay, then substitute 1 first. Okay. So how we can write our next step? So pi is as it is. So I am writing here pi is as it is. Okay. So pi by 2, 1 by 2 is outside. Now I am substituting 1 in place of x. So 1 square means 1 minus 0. Now next pi. If I substitute 2 in place of x, so it gives 4 minus 4 by 2 minus 2, 1 into 2, that means 2 minus 1 by 2. Done? Okay. So here we have pi by 2 from first step. Okay. Plus pi is there. 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 2. So 4 minus 4, it will be 0. And my next step is pi by 2 plus pi into 1 by 2. So that means again pi by 2, and pi by 2 plus pi by 2 will be pi. Any doubt in A0, dear student? Let me inform.
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Good. Okay. What about others? Please inform me quickly.
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then what about AN? Next step is to find AN. So AN, the formula for AN is 1 by L integration C to C plus 2L f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. Okay. So again I am substituting the value of L. What is my L for this example? It is 1. So 1 by 1 integration, what is my whole interval? it is, I think 0 to 2. Yes, it is 0 to 2. So I am substituting it 0 to 2. F of x I cannot substitute right now, so f of x is as it is, cos n pi x by 1 dx. Okay, so it is 1, means you cannot write down 1, chalega. Okay, now I have two partition of the function, so I have to integrate two times, so 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. In 0 to 1, what is my function? I think it is pi of x. Yes, it is pi of x. So pi into x into cos, sorry to, yes, it is cos n pi x dx. Okay, plus integration 1 to 2, what is my f of x? It is pi 2 minus x. So I am substituting pi 2 minus x into cos n pi x dx. Done. Okay, now think about the next step. Okay, I erase all the previous data. Okay, then what is my next step here? So here integration 0 to 1 is that, so pi is outside, integration 0 to 1 x cos n pi x dx plus pi is again outside, integration 1 to 2, here 2 minus x is there, into cos n pi x dx. Okay, now pi is outside. Okay, here we use the integration by parts rule. What is it? Integration by parts? Anybody?
X sin pi x divided
Yes,
by n
means
pi.
UV rule. So U as it is, that means x as it is. Good, thank you. X as it is. Now integration of cos, it will be sine. Okay, it is sine n pi x divided by, constant is my n pi, so I divide by n pi, minus plus minus plus minus. Okay, what is the derivative of x? It is 1. Now integration of cos, sorry, integration of sine, it will be minus cos. This step is very important for you. Okay, n pi x divided by n pi होल स्क्वायर. ओके, क्योंकि हमने सेकंड टाइम किया ना इसका, तो एन पाई ऑलरेडी था, दूसरा एक एन पाई आएगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? इट विल बी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1, इट इज 0, सो आई स्टॉप हियर एंड माय लिमिट इज 0 to 1. ओके, 0 to 1. डन. नाउ नेक्स्ट, प्लस पाई इज देयर. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज माय uv, sorry u, 2 minus x is my u. Okay, so 2 minus x is my u, so I am writing here 2 minus x as it is into derivative of cos will be sine again, so sine n pi x divided by n pi minus derivative of 2 minus x, it will be a minus 1 because 0 minus 1. And again integration of sine, so it is nothing but cos n pi x divided by n pi whole square, because we are finding second time, so n pi is there and one another n pi multiply with that, so it is n pi square, and the limit, okay, next term will be 0 due to the minus 1, derivative of minus 1 will be 0, so it is 0 and limit is 1 to 2. Okay, what is my next step? Anybody? अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए इसके बाद?
साइन टर्म
साइन
0.
की टर्म।
यस, यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दिस साइन टर्म, सो आपका काम थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा. डन. तो इफ आई थिंक अबाउट दिस साइन टर्म, सो हियर आई change my ink so you can verify here. Okay, so if I substitute 2 here, so in place of x, so what is my deduction part? It is sine 2n pi. Okay, for 2. And if I replace, oh sorry, okay, no problem, here, okay, here it is sine 2n pi, and if I replace 1, so it is sine pi n pi. Okay, if I replace 1, so it is sine n pi, and if I replace 0, then it gives sine 0. Okay, in all the cases sine will be 0 due to sine n pi and sine 2n pi and sine 0, three values are 0, so this will be cancel out. So you cannot think about these two terms, only think about the second term. So here we have pi bracket minus minus plus cos n pi x divided by n square pi square 0 to 1 plus pi minus minus plus minus minus, so I am writing minus outside, so it is minus pi is there cos n pi x divided by n square pi square, and my limit is here 1 to 2. Okay, so if I substitute 1 first, okay, in both the case n square pi square is same, so I write down it outside, so n square pi square will be common in both the cases, both the term. So now I am substituting x is equal to 1 and 0 for first, so it is cos n pi minus cos 0 minus pi again cos 2n pi minus cos n pi. Okay, if I simplify this, so what we get here, you can think here because I have no more space. So here pi is cancel out. Okay, 1 pi will be cancel out, so this will be cancel out with denominator. Okay, then we have 1 upon n square pi. Okay, only 1 pi is in denominator. Okay, and there is one big bracket also because हमने पूरा कॉमन निकाला है, तो ये पाई भी वहां से चला जाएगा. डन. ओके, नाउ cos n pi will be minus 1 raised to n, cos 0 means 1, minus cos 2n pi means 1, minus 1 raised to 2n, it gives 1, minus minus plus cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. So here you have minus 1 raised to n 2 times and minus 1 is 2 times, so the final answer is we have 1 upon, sorry, 2 times हो जाएगा, 2 times n square pi bracket minus 1 raised to n minus 1. Okay, this is your final an. Any confusion in an, dear student?
No, sir.
No? What about other student? Please quickly.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
किसको था यस यस सर बोले ना, कोई डाउट वाला है कोई? ओके, देन वी थिंक अबाउट द बी एन. ओके, चलो बी एन बोलो. बी एन में क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट स्टेप, बी एन इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय एल इंटीग्रेशन सी टू सी प्लस 2l एफ ऑफ एक्स साइन एन पाई एक्स बाय एल डी एक्स. ओके, सो सेम यहाँ पे मुझे सिर्फ फंक्शन चेंज करना है. तो फंक्शन मेरा क्या था? 1 मिनट. हाँ, आई इरेज ऑल द प्रीवियस डेटा, then I can, okay, Okay, now what is my bn? Bn, the formula for bn is this. What is my L for this example? I think it is 1. Yes, it is 1. So 1 by 1 integration 0 to 2 f of x, I cannot substitute right now, into sine n pi x into dx. This is my first term for bn. Okay, now 1 1, no meaning it is 1. So here 0 to 1 plus 1 to 2, function has two partition. In 0 to 1 function is pi x, am I right? Okay, pi x है ना? Yes, pi x into sine n pi x into dx, sorry, yes, into dx, नीचे 1 है. Okay, 1 to 2 pi 2 minus x sine n pi x dx. Okay, now in next, pi will be outside, so again we use here UV rule. So x as it is, the integration of sine will be minus cos n pi x divided by n pi. Okay, minus integration of, sorry, derivative of x will be 1, integration of minus cos will be minus sine n pi x divided by n square pi square, and next term will be 0, so I cannot write down here, so 0 to 1 plus pi 2 minus x is as it is, 2 minus x is as it is, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन विल बी माइनस कॉस, जो ऊपर लिखा है वही का वही आएगा, सिर्फ फंक्शन चेंज होगा, फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट, डिवाइड बाय एन पाई माइनस 2 माइनस एक्स का डेरिवेटिव होगा -1, एंड यहाँ पे माइनस साइन एन पाई एक्स डिवाइड बाय एन स्क्वायर पाई स्क्वायर. ओके, अब हमने आगे ऑलरेडी एन में ये चेक कर लिया है कि साइन वाला टर्म क्या हो रहा है. ओके, हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया है, तो सीधा यू कैन रिमूव इट इन बी एन. ओके, बिकॉज लिमिट्स आर सेम, so you cannot waste your time. So here pi is outside, so if I substitute 1 first, so what is my first derivation? So 1 into this, so minus cos n pi upon n pi minus, for 0 it is 0. Now I am replacing 2, so plus, okay, pi मैंने सेकंड में मेरा pi, yes, 2 minus 2, so it is 0 again. I am substituting second limit, so it is minus minus plus, 1 means 2 minus 1 1 into minus minus plus कर दिया है मैंने, so it is here cos n pi upon n pi. Okay, so if I write down very well in the systematic, so pi is common, minus cos n pi upon n pi माइनस यहाँ पे प्लस हो जाएगा cos n pi upon n pi. Okay, so here there should be minus plus, so it is cancel out. Okay, so we have bn 0. Okay, now what is my next step? कौन बताएगा? चलो quickly. Next step.
Fourier series.
Yes, you have to substitute all these terms into Fourier series, all these values into Fourier series. So what is my original Fourier series? It is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus bn sin n pi x by l. Okay, so इसमें मुझे a0 रिप्लेस करना है, तो a0 में अगर रिप्लेस करता हूँ तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? लुक एट हियर, सो f of x is equal to a0. What is my a0? It is pi, so first term is pi by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an. What is my value of an? So an is, yes, 2 by n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So it is 2 by n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1, okay, into cos. So it is cos n pi x by 1, but it is 1, so you cannot write down, there is no meaning, plus bn will be 0, I think 0, yes, it is 0, so 0. So this is my required Fourier series for given function f of x is equal to pi x for 0 less or equal to x less or equal to 1 and pi 2 minus x at 1 less or equal to x less or equal to 2. Okay. Any confusion in this example number 5, dear student?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If you understand, then please raise your hand. Good. Parth, you don't understand? 19E020, yes, he is understand. Okay, 503 and 504, are you understand?
सर वो सिर्फ वो लास्ट स्टेप दिखाओ ना एक बार फूरियर सीरीज का फाइनल आंसर.
Okay, Fourier series का फाइनल, yes, this one?
हाँ सिर्फ उसका
Okay.
लास्ट 2 स्टेप.
इसका या bn का? ओके, ये
Fourier series, हाँ.
ओके, समेशन के बाद वाला आपको जानना है.
या
Okay. So f of x is equal to a0. What is my a0? A0 is pi. So I write down here pi by 2 तो था ही, plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Now what is my an? An क्या था? You can see here. What is my an? Yes, this is my an. 2 upon n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So I am write down here 2 by n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1. Okay, और मैंने an वाला ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट किया. Now what is my an into? Yeah, okay. So an into cos. So here I am writing here cos n pi x by 1. But 1 लिखे ना लिखे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. So यहाँ पे cos n pi x मैंने सीधा लिख दिया, प्लस bn की वैल्यू क्या था? 0. So 0 into साइन वाला आएगा, लेकिन 0 into something that means 0. So I don't write this. Okay, now understand 503.
यस
સર
Yes there here.
AC એક વખત ચેક કરી લો ને પેલું -1.
A0 an.
હા an માં.
Okay, तो an માં ये रहा ना an 2 upon n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1.
એમાં -1 એની પછી જે -1 છે ને એમાં ડાઉટ છે.
Minus 1 પછી I don't know. There here you can see here it is -1, so it is -2, and here 2 into -1 raised to n. Okay, so I put 2 outside, so 2 upon n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1. सही तो है? It is correct. There here.
સર મારો +1 આવે છે સેકન્ડ વાળામાં, એટલે 1 થી 2 માં જે છે ને ઇન્ટરવલ એનો मतलब 0 to 1 થી 2 में
1 to 2 में. ओके, तो 1 to 2 में क्या होगा? देखो यहाँ पे 2 minus x इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos will be sin minus the derivative of 2 minus x, it is -1. There here you forgot to mention -1 here, I think. Okay, so it is -1 and this integration of sin will be again minus cos n pi x upon n pi square. Okay, now are you find your mistake?
नो सर.
Okay, so here if I expand this, because sin term will be 0, so if I expand this, so it is minus plus minus, so I am putting here minus pi. Okay, 1 to 2. Okay, so here minus pi. ओके, पाई मैंने यहाँ पे आउटसाइड रखा था इसलिए मैंने यहाँ से कैंसिल कर दिया था. सो माइनस कॉस 2 n पाई ओके, और यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा cos n पाई। तो मिस्टेक कहाँ है?
સર cos 2n પાઈ ની વેલ્યુ 1 થશે.
cos 2n પાઈ ની 1 થશે. હા, યસ ઇટ ઇઝ 1.
હા સર ત્યાં ભૂલ હતી.
Okay, because 2n pi is minus 1 raised to 2n there, so it is even power, so you can put here 1.
યસ સર.
Okay, okay, anybody have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then think about the last example of our this method. Expand f of x in a Fourier series where f of x is equal to 0 k0. Oh, there are 3 partitions, but it is very easy. This is given for confusion only. Okay, minus 2 less than x less than minus 1, minus 1 less than x less than 1, 1 less than x less than 2. Okay, so what is my L here? कौन बताएगा? चलो जल्दी करो, L बताओ जल्दी. Oh,
2.
okay, 2.
2.
Any another?
L is
Any
equal
another?
to 2. 2.
2 is final na? Okay,
Yes, sir.
યસ.
so
Yes, sir.
I am writing here 2. कितने लोगों को नहीं मिला? अगर नहीं मिला तो रेज योर हैंड. ओके, बिकॉज मुझे सबका देखना है, ऐसा नहीं कि बोल दिया तो मैं मान लूंगा. ओके, चलो आई एम राइटिंग 2. ओके, इज इट विजिबल? L is equal to 2 is visible or not? I think it is not visible. Am I right? Okay. Any doubt? L में किसी को डाउट है? प्लीज क्विक रिस्पॉन्स यार, प्लीज. हाँ,
No, sir. No, sir.
okay, okay, then we go for a0. Okay, so what is my a0? A0 is equal to 1 by L integration c to c plus 2L f of x dx. Okay, so if I substitute here the value of L, so my next expression is 1 by 2 integration, what is my original interval? Minus 2 less than x less than 2, because my minimum is minus 2 and maximum is 2. So I am substitute here minus 2 to 2 f of x dx. In first step you cannot substitute the value of f of x. Okay, now how many partitions of function here? There are 3 partitions, so I write 3 integration sign. So here first I am starting from minus 2 lower limit. Okay, so minus 2 to कौन सा है first? Minus 2 to minus 1. Yes, it is minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 1 and 1 to 2. Okay, so in minus 2 to minus 1, what is my f of x? It is 0.
0.
Okay, so I
0.
yes, 0 into d of x. Here it is k into d of x, and here it is 0 into d of x. Okay, here you can see that 0 k 0. So I am substituting that. So first and third, these both will be 0. So आप लिखे ना लिखे कोई वहाँ पे वेरिएशन नहीं होगा. Okay, now next is minus 1 to 1. Okay, I forgot to mention 1 by 2. Sorry. Okay, here 1 by 2 is there. Okay, outside. So 1 by 2 is there. Minus 1 to 1 k dx. Okay, so k is outside now because it is constant. So what is inner side? It is 1 dx. So the integration of 1 is x. Done. So if I substitute here, so 1 minus minus plus 1, so 2 will be cancelled out and my final answer is 2. Any confusion in A0, dear student?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
No.
Okay, so
No,
it is,
sir.
yes, it is K. Now next an के बारे में सोचते हैं. चलो, what is my an? तो an क्या होगा? अगेन यहाँ पे आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे हमको मिलेगा 1 by 2 और ये जो लिमिट है वो पूरा हमारा हो जाएगा, क्या होगा, -2 to 2. ओके, सो एफ ऑफ एक्स कॉस एन पाई एक्स बाई 2 dx हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, एन पाई एक्स बाई 2 dx ड्यू टू माई एल. ओके, नाउ अगेन we have 3 partition of the function, so I am writing down 3 times integration. So the next expression is mine 1 by 2 is common, so integration plus integration plus integration. Okay, so here -2 to -1, -1 to 1, and here 1 to 2. So this is 0, this is k, and this is 0. Okay, so 0 into cos n pi x by 2 dx, cos n pi x by 2 dx, and 0 into cos n pi x by 2 dx. Okay, then bracket close. Okay, now first and third term will be 0. So I directly write down this. 1 minute. Okay, I write down here 1 by 2. Okay, so k will be outside, so -1 to 1 cos n pi x by 2 dx. Okay, now k by 2 outside. What is my integration of cos? It is minus sine, sorry, not minus, it is
Plus
sine. Yes, plus sine. So n pi x by 2 divided by n pi by 2. Okay, in -1 to 1. Okay, after completing this step, what you can change, check sine term. So here only one sine term, and it is sine n pi. Yes. Okay, here you have to check sine n pi 1 by 2, that means sine n pi by 2 है ना, and if you substitute minus, so it is minus sine n pi by 2. तो साइन कभी भी साइन n pi by 2 के लिए 0 नहीं होता है स्टूडेंट. ओके, सो उसको 0 मत कर देना, नहीं तो आप गए. साइन n pi 0 होता है, साइन 2n pi 0 होता है, लेकिन साइन n pi by 2 कभी 0 नहीं होता है. सो द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज k by 2 into 2 upon n pi, और यहाँ पे अगर आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो साइन n pi by 2 minus minus plus sine n pi by 2, it gives 2 times, so here 2 to cancel out, so here हमको मिलेगा 2k upon n pi into sine n pi by 2. Okay, this is my an. Any doubt in an? अब यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं रखना है आपको, साइन n pi by 2 एज इट इज रखो, नो इश्यू. ओके, एनी डाउट स्टूडेंट an
No,
में?
sir.
एनीबडी? I think all students are understand this. Am I right? Okay, I assume that. Now bn के लिए सीधा कर रहा हूं, यहाँ पे देखो, क्योंकि an में हमने जो दो दिखा दिया है, 0 हो रहा है तो पर भी, तो यहाँ पे bn में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. an में अगर दिखा दिया है तो हम सीधा करेंगे. सीधा जो नॉन जीरो पार्ट है, वो नॉन जीरो कौन सा है, -1 to 1 इंटरवल वाला. ओके, तो सीधा यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे 1 by 2 -1 to 1 f ऑफ x की जगह पे k sin n pi x by 2 dx. Okay, this is my first term of bn, first expression of bn. Okay, next 1 by 2 as it is, so I write down here 1 by 2, sorry, k by 2 outside, so -1 to 1 sin n pi x by 2. Here you can go with two different ways. Okay, number one, you can use here the concept of second standard, it is if you have a limit negative to positive and function is odd, then the value is 0. ओके, मैंने आपको पहले भी मेंशन किया था कि अगर अंदर का फंक्शन ऑड है एंड लिमिट एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव है, देन यू कैन से दैट द इंटीग्रेशन विल बी 0. अगर वो यूज नहीं करते हैं तो सेकंड टाइप इज यहाँ पे सीधा इंटीग्रेशन करो. ओके, सो k/2. ओके, व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन? इट इज माइनस कॉस n pi x/2 डिवाइड बाय n pi/2 एंड लिमिट विल बी -1 to 1. आप सीधा उसको भी यूज करके ब्रैकेट में लिख के भी आप कर सकते हो, लेकिन हम यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन कर रहे हैं into 2/n pi. Okay, what is here? Minus, so I put minus outside, so cos n pi/2 minus cos n pi/2. माइनस n pi/2 आएगा, लेकिन minus cos n pi/2 is nothing but cos n pi/2. Yes, because it is even. Okay, so in both the case it is same, so plus and minus है तो ये हो जाएगा 0. तो bn is my 0. Any doubt in bn, dear student? Jaldi,
No,
please.
No, sir.
Okay, so if you have no doubt, then last term is substitute the value of a0, an and bn in our Fourier series. So we have f of x is equal to a0. A0 means k, so k/2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. What is my an? An is 2k upon n pi, 2k upon n pi into sine n pi/2. Okay. Now bn is 0, so I cannot write down about the second term. So this is my final Fourier series. Okay, any doubt?